right. And the next one?
Talk to yourself or your pet out loud. Practice speaking English whenever you can.
There we go. That's good
Uh,
homework, okay? So,
narrate
mhm,
what you are doing. Describe opinions, plans, or dream out loud.
that's
Okay,
right. So you can
I will talk.
so
We
you can
talk
watch a movie.
to.
You can watch an
Uh,
English movie and you can when we're
uh,
back on, you can tell me
mm,
about it and give me the plot. That's nice
mm,
homework. And
mm.
do you have a cat?
Yeah,
There we go. So you can talk to your cat and speak
yeah,
English. Say,
yeah.
you can call it by its name and say,
Uh,
today I've got to
uh,
go to school. I'm going to give some guidance to some students.
uh,
And you can talk about your plan for the day.
mm.
Um, and yeah, practice English speaking to your pet. Very
Okay.
cool. Lovely.
Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so here's some more vocabulary. The first one.
Oh, call it a day. Oh, to describe, to decide or agree to stop doing something. Mm,
Very good.
okay. Oh,
And the next one?
okay. Long story short. Mm. Long story short, uh,
Yes.
you used when you are saying that you will get to the point quickly without including all the details. Mm,
Right. Very
okay.
good. And the next one?
uh, to go downhill, to get worse in quality, health, etc. Oh,
Right. Very
okay.
good. And so far,
So
so good.
far, so good. Used to say that things have been successful until now, and you hope that they will continue to be successful.
Ah,
Mm,
very good. Okay. And
that,
the last straw.
the last straw, the last in a series of bad events, etc., that makes it impossible for you to accept a situation any longer. Hmm.
Right.
Okay.
Perfect storm. That's what we had
Perfect
today.
storm. An occasion when several bad things happen at the same time. So things could be worse.
Yeah. Very good.
Hmm.
So those are
Perfect
some
storm.
so those are some good idioms you can use
Mm,
in the IELTS
mm,
speaking test.
mm,
Call it a day is an easy one.
mm,
So let's
mm,
let's let's stop now. Let's take a break, guys. The meeting's been going for a
mm,
long time.
mm,
Um, and if you're giving a part two story, and
mm,
the story is longer than the 2 minutes, you can say,
mm,
so long story short, this
mm,
happened, that happened, and the result was, and
mm.
you're finished. You see? So you can use it for a
I,
conclusion. You can use an
mm,
idiom at an end. Instead of saying to
oh,
sum up, you could say
mm,
long story short, blah blah blah.
mm. Oh. You mean this idiom is
Yeah.
not a summary?
Yes, it's just to make it is a summary.
Oh,
It's
summary.
when you're
Okay.
saying
Mm,
that you will
mm,
get
mm.
to the point quickly. Yes, true.
Oh, mm,
It is for
mm,
that. So now you're getting
mm,
to the point quickly. The point is
oh,
this happened,
mm,
that happened,
mm.
and this is the result.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Good. Okay, and then yeah, so there's quite a few there that you could use that are quite easy.
That's good.
Right.
Okay.
So, extra practice, fill in the
Mm,
blanks with the correct expression.
mm,
Number one, I
okay.
took a
I took a memorable vacation last year
You
to
see, Hawaii.
uh, uh, to 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 Hawaii.
To Hawaii, yes.
To Hawaii.
Hmm?
I was nervous about it because
Was
mm,
my
it was my first international trip, but the flight
went well.
went well. So I was thinking, mm,
The flight went well, so it should be not bad, eh? It should be the opposite of
so
bad.
so far so
Yeah.
good.
Well done. You got it.
Oh,
Lovely
oh.
stuff.
However, as soon as okay, thank you. However, as soon as I arrived, things
Started blah blah fast.
started. Ooh, to go downhill
Yes.
fast.
Yes.
uh, First, I had trouble at
Hmm.
customs.
Hmm.
Uh, they my
They
them
couldn't. Yes.
my hotel couldn't find my reservation. I was
It was basically
basically it was basically
something that's happening my side.
uh, perfect storm, no?
Perfect storm. Yes. Very good. You're
Perfect
doing well.
storm of travel problems, but the
Blah blah.
was when I finally got to the beach and it immediately started raining. Mm, call it a day?
No, no, not
No,
that one.
oh,
Yes.
the last straw.
The last
Mm.
straw. That's the last straw. That's the last. Now I've had enough. I'm going home. You see, it's raining. I came to the beach, but before the beach, the reservation was wrong. Everything's just been wrong. So,
Mm,
yeah. Okay, good. Well done. So that was the last
mm,
slide on this one. So let's
mm,
go to. So well done. You completed that. We've completed that lesson. So we're going to go move
mm,
on to the next one.
mm,
Okay, lesson 3.
mm,
Expanded practice and expanding your
mm,
answers still, because that's
mm,
important, is to expand your
mm,
answer in the IELTS test. Okay, so we're going to review the speaking part, previous test taking tip, and speaking practice part 1.
mm,
Tutor feedback and some new vocab. So let's take a
mm.
look. What do you remember about expanding your answer with conjunctions?
Conjunction. Conjunction means mm,
Although,
although,
even though,
however,
however, neither,
even
neither,
though,
nor, besides.
uh,
Good.
furthermore,
Yeah, good.
additionally,
Yeah,
no?
here we go. So there's 3 types, remember?
Mm.
The first one was coordinating. Then we had
Coordinate.
correlate. I always get stuck with this word. It's an English word. I should know it. Correlative. And then also subordinating. Okay.
Mm.
So these were the words
Mm.
for connecting
And
phrases, parts of
mm,
words, and joins
mm,
independent and dependent
mm,
clauses. You
mm.
can read the examples at the bottom.
Okay. I got a bike yesterday and I went to the store.
Right, so that's the one we
Mm,
always use. And,
mm,
and, and,
and
and,
mm,
and,
mm,
and.
mm,
But
mm.
we should remember to change it in the IELTS test.
Mm,
In addition,
mm,
furthermore, uh, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay. Not only am I finished studying English, but I'm also finished with my history essay.
Right.
Mm.
Good. And the last one.
Okay. I bought a bike because I want to get a score faster.
Yeah.
Mm.
So you're giving the reason why you bought the bike. Why did I buy the bike?
Mm.
Well, it's because I want to get to school faster. I don't want to walk.
Mm.
Okay. Good. So your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. And that picture's
Mm.
so cute. The dog and the cat.
Okay. Yeah. Mm,
My
maybe
dog?
first, my dog is friendly, but
Yeah.
my cat is not.
Yes. Good. Or you could say, whereas my cat is not.
Whereas, okay.
Yes. So don't forget, you can always say but it's also good to
Ah,
say whereas. Right.
whereas,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. Next one, I need to
I need
blah
to
blah. Get
blah
a new
blah get a new job.
blah blah
Blah blah talk to my supervisor. Oh,
about my role at the company.
about my role at the company.
Tricky one.
Tricky one.
Tricky one,
Not,
yes.
to uh, not only not only I do I huh?
I need to either get the new
I
job
need to get new job. Noah,
or
huh?
or
Or
talk.
or talk to my supervisor.
Yeah, good.
Uh, about my role at
The
the
company.
company.
Yes.
Mm,
So
mm,
either I get a new job or I don't
mm,
have to if I talk to my
mm,
supervisor and he fixes things, then obviously I
mm,
don't need the new job, right? So
mm,
it's this or that. So it's either I do this
mm,
or I do that.
mm.
Okay. Next one. I bought a new car. Ooh, I love new cars.
I bought a new car because hmm? My
Old one.
my old one broke down.
Yeah. I bought a new car because my old one broke down, like you said, or I bought a new car
Mm,
since my old one broke down.
mm,
Since. So you can also
mm.
use that. And the last one, blah
Mm.
blah. We love
Blah
eating
blah.
in restaurants. We usually cook at home.
Although we
Yes.
love
Good.
eating in restaurants, we usually cook at home. Hmm.
Well done. Very good. Okay. Of course, we could also use while.
Hmm. While.
While we love eating in restaurants, we usually cook at home.
While. Oh.
Yeah, also good. Okay, great stuff. So that's the summary, and we're gonna have to stop there because the
Mm,
time is up.
okay.
Yeah, but it was nice to see you, and yeah,
Okay.
you take care, and we'll see
Thank
you soon.
you.
Okay,
Bye
bye bye.
bye.